Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix over-lubed switches. First, you need to identify the common symptoms, which often include a sluggish key press, a muted sound, or a sticky feeling. Excessive lubricant can significantly hinder the switch's intended performance and tactile feedback. Before you begin, gather your essential tools: a reliable switch opener, a small, fine-tipped brush, and a gentle cleaning solution like isopropyl alcohol. Preparing your workspace properly will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Once you've identified the problematic switches, the next step is careful disassembly. Use your switch opener to gently separate the top housing, the stem, and the spring. With the components apart, take a microfiber cloth or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Carefully wipe away any visible excess lubricant from the stem rails and the interior of the switch housing. Pay particular attention to the stem's legs and the housing's contact points to ensure thorough cleaning. After cleaning, if you choose to relubricate, remember that less is truly more. Apply an extremely thin, even coat of a high-quality lubricant, such as Cridox GPL 205 Grade 0, to the stem rails and the spring. It's crucial to avoid applying any lubricant to the switch's legs or the metal leaf, as this can negatively impact the tactile bump or the switch's actuation. Carefully reassemble each switch, ensuring the spring is correctly seated and the stem is oriented properly within the housing. With your switches reassembled, it's time for thorough testing. Press each switch several times to confirm smooth key travel and consistent actuation. Listen for a uniform sound profile and feel for consistent tactile feedback across all switches you've worked on. To prevent future overlubrication, consider using a lighter lubricant or a different application technique, perhaps a very fine brush, to ensure only a minimal amount is applied. This will help maintain optimal switch performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.